If you've lost access to your Avatrade account and cannot use your email, there are alternative methods to recover it. Follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the Avatrade website. Go to the official Avatrade website using a secure browser. Make sure you're on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Access the support section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Choose live chat or phone support. Select either the live chat option or the phone support number provided. This will connect you with a customer service representative who can assist you with your account recovery. Step 4. Verify your identity. Prepare to verify your identity. You may need to provide personal information such as your full name, date of birth, and any other details associated with your account to confirm your identity. Step 5. Follow the instructions given. Once your identity is verified, follow the instructions provided by the customer service representative. They will guide you through the process of recovering your account without needing your email. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Avatrade account even without access to your email. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further assistance.